What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Slow Seline from the Garden of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson at the top left side of my page with the mouth. I'm going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve that comes down the middle. And we'll bend that back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. And come down lower. And then pull that back up. Now we're going to separate out the teeth. In the center of the mouth, let's draw a straight line going across. And then from the ends, angle this up and out toward the left and right side. Go back to the side, angle this down and out. Now with the mouth in place, let's work our way around. Starting on the top left, I'm just going to bump this up in the middle and then back down towards the right. And I just want to curve around the corners of the mouth. Start with the left, going out, down, and we'll bend that in. Go to the top right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move up to the top and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's line at the top all the way over on the right side and do the same thing, drawing that same size circle. Let's connect the eyes to the head with two angled lines, starting from the bottom, angles down and in, step out and draw that again. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to have our character looking over towards the right. So starting from the side of the circle, draw a smaller circle going around, and then back up. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's work our way down the side of the neck. On the left side, we're going to step out to create a fold, bend this in, and then down. Let's go to the right side, step out, come in, and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to bend the back going out towards the shell, coming down and then up. Now I want to overlap the shell on top of the body. So from here we're going to step down, draw a spiral, going all the way up toward the top of the body. Now we're going to be drawing that circle, coming all the way down and then in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to swirl this all the way around towards the center. So start back at the bottom, all the way around toward the left, and we'll start to spiral this all the way around. Make it a little bit smaller as we come in. I'm just going to pull that down in the middle. Now let's close off the bottom of the shell with a straight angled line. Let's go all the way over towards the bottom right side of the shell, angle the tail going out, and then down towards the end. Let's go all the way back over toward the left side and close off the body. Starting from the base of the neck, just going to bend this out. Just going to bring this down underneath the shell and over towards the end of the tail. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Slow Seline from the Garden of Banban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.